Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how do we compare two fractions. We will use the cross multiplication method to find out which fraction is greater or both are equivalent. Suppose a by b and c by d are two fractions, then we will multiply b with c and we will multiply a with d. Now we will compare the two products that we have found over here. If a multiplied by d is greater than b multiplied by c, that is the left hand side product is greater than the right hand side, then this fraction a by b is greater than c by d. Here you can see if a multiplied by d is greater than b multiplied by c, then a by b fraction will be greater than c by d. If b multiplied by c, this product is greater than this product, that is the right hand side product is greater than the left hand side product, then c by d will be greater than a by b. C by d will be greater than a by b. Now the third scenario will be if both the products here are equal. If both the products are equal, then a by b is equal to c by d, because a by b and c by d would be equivalent fractions. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. Suppose we have been given the fractions 3 by 9 and 2 by 6, and we have to compare these two fractions. So we will cross multiply, that is 2 will be multiplied with 9 and 6 will be multiplied with 3. The product here is 18 and the product here is also 18. So this means that both the fractions here are equal. In the second case, 7 will be multiplied with 2, that is 14. 5 will be multiplied with 3, that is 15. So in the second case, we can see the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. That means the left hand side fraction is greater than the right hand side fraction. In the third case, we will find out the product again, that is 11 will be multiplied with 5, that is 55. 13 will be multiplied with 2, that is 26. Here we can see the right hand side product is greater than the left hand side. That means 5 by 13 is greater than 2 by 11.